Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
Let's break down this sample email. You can pause the video here if you'd like to read the full answer first. Then we can review it together. This response successfully completes all three tasks from the prompt. It addresses the first point by providing details about the writer's situation, saying, "My family and I just moved to the neighborhood." It also covers the third point by explaining the interest in photography, mentioning the desire to document our experiences. Finally, it asks the required questions about the exact schedule and the total cost, which covers the second bullet point. Notice the email's clear organization. It starts with a polite greeting and an opening sentence that clearly states the purpose. The information is then divided into two body paragraphs, which makes the email very easy for the coordinator to read and understand. The tone is semi-formal and respectful, which is perfect for this situation. The email finishes professionally with a friendly closing and a proper sign-off. The writer uses simple and effective linking words like firstly and secondly to introduce the questions. The language is mostly straightforward. To show a stronger vocabulary, the writer included two slightly more advanced stretch words: equipment and appreciate. Both are common words that are used correctly and fit naturally. Let's analyze this response for option A if you need a moment. Feel free to pause the video to read the text before we discuss why it is a strong answer. First, the writer clearly states their choice in the opening sentence, saying they believe purchasing new exercise equipment is the better option. The response then gives two well-supported reasons. The first reason is that the equipment is a long-term investment, which is a very strong point. The second reason focuses on flexibility, noting that employees can use a gym at any time that is convenient for them. The organization of the response is excellent. It flows logically from the introduction to the two body paragraphs, each presenting a different argument. The conclusion is brief but effective, summarizing the writer's position clearly. The tone is semi-formal and polite, which is appropriate for a workplace survey. This response uses simple transition words like furthermore and for these reasons to connect ideas smoothly. The vocabulary is generally simple, which is perfect for this level. However, to show a slightly higher skill, the writer correctly uses two stretch words, durable and accessible. These words fit the context perfectly and demonstrate a good vocabulary range. Understand its strengths. This response clearly communicates a preference for option B in the first paragraph, stating that healthy cooking classes would be more beneficial. It then provides two distinct reasons to support this choice. The first reason is that the classes teach a practical life skill that employees can use outside of work. The second reason highlights the social aspect, explaining that cooking together encourages teamwork and collaboration. The structure of this answer is very effective. It begins with a clear introduction, uses two separate paragraphs for its main points, and ends with a concise conclusion. This makes the argument easy to follow. The tone is respectful and positive, which is ideal for communicating with an employer. To help the ideas flow, the writer uses simple linking words like firstly and secondly. The vocabulary is easy to understand, but the writer has also included two well-chosen stretch words to show a stronger command of English, practical, and collaboration. These words are used accurately and add weight to the writer's points without making the text too complex.